Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 3.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
MSCI's global equities gauge rose and the dollar fell with US government bond yields as investors welcomed the incoming US president's selection of fund manager Scott Bessent as the next US Treasury Secretary. Native tokens from multiple DeFi protocols are seeing gains soar above 50% in November as the month closes to an end, backed by investors' confidence after the US elections and hopes of more regulatory clarity for digital assets. The total value locked on DeFi protocols stood at $118.4 billion, the highest level in 3 years. A $100 million investment proposal from Apple to build an accessory and component plant in Indonesia was not enough to allow the sale of the latest iPhone. Indonesia banned sales of iPhone 16 after it failed to meet requirements that smartphones sold domestically should comprise at least 40% locally made parts.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.